Indians are rapidly adopting the lifestyle of ordering in, utilizing the power of their smartphone to have food delivered at the end of a click. And in a highly competitive 3 billion food delivery market, Swiggy faced the unique challenge of building a sustainable business. Swiggy, India's leading food ordering and delivery app, desired to drive high-quality user acquisition at scale across the top 7 metro cities in India. Operating in the hyperlocal space, it was important that Swiggy reached potential users with the right context and through the right channel, and maximize the ROI of their mobile marketing efforts. InMobi helps Swiggy employ a data-driven strategy to achieve the user acquisition goals on mobile. The data-powered InMobi's audience insights, advanced targeting, and predictive marketing platform. To start with, InMobi identified 5 key audience segments to be targeted across the top 7 metros in India. InMobi employed advanced targeting and optimizations to deliver the Swiggy value proposition to these audiences. Users were targeted at scale on popular apps such as Wink and Truecaller. Audiences were also widely reached when most engaged on mobile, such as weekends, afternoons, and late evenings. InMobi's polygon mapping technology ensured that audiences in and around malls, tech parks, and upscale residences were reached without any spillage, enhancing ROI of the campaign. Aside advanced targeting, InMobi drove creative innovation, from landscape video to GIFs to cinemagraphs, to maximize engagement and conversions. Partnering with InMobi, Swiggy drove 2.6 times the installs at 2.2 times the spend, a 17% reduction in CPI over time, and a 6% user acquisition cost at scale throughout the campaign. Thus, Swiggy was able to acquire high-quality users across the top metro cities in India.